Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to dominate with shotguns in COD Warzone Mobile. Well, to do that, map awareness. Knowing the map layout helps you anticipate close quarters encounters. Well, if you're gonna do that, it will position yourself advantageously and ambush opponents effectively. Aim for center mass. Yes, aim for the chest area for maximum damage output. It increases chances of one-shot kills at close range. Quick ADS or aim down sight. Practice quick aiming to maintain accuracy in fast-paced engagements. Well, when it comes to benefits, it reacts swiftly to enemies and land shots accurately. Hip fire accuracy. Learn to hip fire accurately for close range fights. If you're gonna do that, it will maintain mobility while still dealing significant damage. Strafe shooting. Incorporate strafing while shooting to make yourself a harder target. It increases survivability in close quarters combat. Use tactical equipment. Flashbangs or stuns can disorient enemies before closing in with a shotgun. Well, it gained the upper hand by temporarily blinding opponents. Master movement. Utilize slide, jump, and crouch movements to dodge enemy shots and flank effectively. If you're gonna do that, it will stay unpredictable and harder to hit. Engage in doorway battles. Well, control doorways to force enemies into close-range confrontations. It will limit enemy positions and increase your chances of winning engagements. Pre-aim corners. Always pre-aim corners to be ready for enemy ambushes. It will minimize reaction time and catch opponents off guard. Pick and shoot. Utilize picking mechanics to expose yourself minimally while maintaining line of sight. It will minimize exposure to enemy fire while maintaining offensive capabilities. Reload awareness. Reload during downtime to ensure you're ready for the next engagements. It will avoid being caught off guard with an empty magazine. Audio cues. Listen for footsteps and gunfire to predict enemy movements and position. And that's how to dominate with shotguns in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.